Hi, I'd like to show you something I've recently started doing in JavaScript that I think is enormously useful. Um, Not so much something I've been working on, but a trick I've been using to help me build JavaScript systems. Right now, I'm working on a validator system, multiple rules, conditional validation, that sort of thing. Just to demonstrate, you can change the results. So as each rule parses and succeeds, then the outcome changes. The problem I've ran into is obviously this is quite a large looping system. It iterates through a set number of functions, a lot, let's say. Um, and if I throw an error like this, obviously I can see what the error is, and I know where it's being thrown, um, but I'm unaware of what's actually causing it to go wrong. Obviously, I can step debug, so I could set a breakpoint on here, and then run through the system, and eventually find out what it is. But that's quite a slow way of doing it, and quite time consuming. Although it is, up until recently for me, it was one of the better ways of doing it. But I'd like to show you what I think is a newer and better way to achieve the same thing, using an assert statement. This is based out of a library I've been writing, very simple namespace based functions, as you can see. The condition here is just to, when you're in production, it stops the evaluation of the second half, so it makes it a lot cheaper. Of course, in production system, if you trust it properly, you could just remove all these lines. But what this does is it validates one of the parameters for this function, and if this fails to assert to true, then it will actually call debugger at that point. I'll show you. So let's reload the page, and there we go. So now it's called debugger, and all I need to do is go one step backwards in the stack trace, and I am in the right place where the error has occurred, and I can automatically see what the values are and why it's going wrong. I created this error, so I happen to know it's a spelling mistake, but I've been using this for the last couple of weeks, and it has changed the way I can write JavaScript, because debugging is now incredibly easy. If an error is thrown somewhere in my code, I'll add this in, rerun it once, and it automatically stops at the point of error and shows me exactly what it is, and I can just literally walk back through the stack trace and find out what's caused it. Yeah, that's it. I hope you like it, and I really do hope you give it a try. The code itself for the assert function is very simple. It's literally that much. So if you're interested in it, I'll put the link under this video, and go and have a look. I hope that helps.